crab dance.
Yeah, do what you do. Can you do it backwards? This is how we assist.
This is assisting at its finest and close-upest.
Flowers. Flowers, yes? Oh, good thing you can get it hot and bend it back.
I gotta bend it back.
You usually see me wrestling with it, right? I made it look hard.
As long as there's metal, there's hope.
Right. There's metal, there's hope.
This is harder than it looks. This is harder than it looks.
I struggled. Didn't I make it look hard enough?
No! No!
That's a nice shoulder. That's controlled. And square. It's a good shoulder. Good shoulders. What you making, Milton?
I'm going over yesterday's lesson.
You can always answer hot poker
Hot poker.
or dune buggy.
I'm making a hot poker now and a cold poker later.
I'm freelancing. We encourage that. Look at that nice twist Christy's making. Look how even that is. Oh yeah.
I may have slightly caused my distraction.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, my hair would never fit in that.
Very important here.
Well, it might fit in that. I've got some in the car.
Okay. You ready for some welding?
I think. Tight enough.
It's beautiful. Yeah, it's gorgeous, Joe. Okay, let me weld it for you.